So you have little to no working experience, trying to explore new opportunities, trying to get into the remote world of work, but having difficulty to find a good company that actually pays people. Rest assured, I got you. Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your girl Lika. For those of you who are new here, please know that I make a lot of content regarding making money online. So if that is the kind of content that you like to see, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more. So I know I've been MIA, but truth be told, a lot has happened to me and for me in that very short period of time. And I really appreciate the persons who did not unsubscribe from my channel and the persons who actually subscribed to my channel in hopes and having faith that someday I will return. But I realized that the longer I stayed away was the more room I was creating for doubt to enter the minds of my subscribers and to let you guys feel like I'm not coming back. A lot of people reached out to me on an individual basis and offered words of encouragement, and guys, trust me, I am absolutely grateful for that. And I will be sharing a video with my experiences and the things that I have actually learned, because I have learned a lot in such a short period of time, and I believe it will be of benefit to a lot of you too. Now I'm seeking to make a lot of changes to my platform so that you guys can have more access to information that is valuable more readily. But I won't say too much on that for now. And if you're excited so far, please go ahead and push the like button so that the algorithm can actually push out this video to a lot more people. So here are 5 companies that are hiring remotely worldwide with as little as 1 year experience for basic positions and as high as over 7 years experience for more complex ones. Guys, please remember to conduct your own research on these companies or websites and do not expect everything to be crammed into one video. So number 1 on the list, this is a translation company that charges people for translation and proofreading. The best part about this company is that they have multiple positions available whether or not you're a translator, and the application process for each is super simple. Currently, they are seeking project managers for various departments and an outbound sales position that I really want to speak to you guys about, and these positions are available worldwide. For the outbound sales position, it does require you having a BA degree in either business, marketing, or something along that line, familiarity with sales and CRM software, and good communication skills. And they do require you to have 2+ years experience, but I know that there must be someone watching this video who has that kind of qualification. Regarding payment, they pay via PayPal, Payoneer, Zelle, TransferWise, Skrill, Venmo, and if you're located in the United States, they do send a check to you if that's your preference. Now, the good thing about this company is that they are searching for people who have an interest in long-term career growth. And the name of this company is Bay Translations. Have you ever entertained the thought of just writing words and getting paid? Well, number 2 is a domain name or slogan website. Now, there are people out there who are always searching for unique names for either their blogs or their website. This software is one of the ones that they use to generate such names. And hear this, the platform pays writers for creating the best domain names. They pay via PayPal, and you'll be required to sign a W-9 or a W-8 BEN form for taxes, just like YouTube. Now, how it works is that you will be assigned a contest and you get to choose whether or not you want to participate. Now, your domain name or slogan would need to receive upvotes, which would indicate that people are actually loving your idea. Once you start receiving good amounts of upvotes, you will be granted access to more contests. Majority of their contests are worth like $100 to $300 US, but there are contests that they have that offer higher rewards. And I've seen some really good reviews on them. That's why I went ahead and shared it with you. But again, you need to do your own due diligence. The name of this website, it is called Squad Help. Okay, so when you come onto Squad Help, you want to go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of the screen. All right, so you're going to come here where it says Become a Creative, and you're going to select that. So here is the screen, and you're going to scroll down, read the information, and just go ahead and select Join Now and go through the necessary steps. So So this next company, they are seeking outbound callers, appointment setters, inbound sales reps, and so much more. The experience for each position varies, but there are positions that require less than 1 year experience. Now I see they have an inbound sales position that you can actually earn uncapped commission from, and that is super cool for the people who love commission-based pay. And the good thing is that you don't need a BA degree or any form of top-notch certifications to actually apply for any of these roles. The application process, it is super simple, and you get a response within 48 hours if they are actually interested in your application. Also, check your junk mail because you will receive an invitation to either an interview or an assessment, and I don't think you want to miss that date. And just a kind reminder, if you are struggling with your resume, as in you don't know how to write it, whether it is that you are applying for an online job or a face-to-face job, a physical job, I've now made my services accessible to people worldwide. So you can purchase a done-for-you resume, which has all the pre-filled information, a list of over 99 skills and duties to use on the form, and a very detailed description of what to put where on that resume. I'll place the link in the description box or on my blog just in case you need it. Now, the name of the company that we were talking about, it is called Octotasker. Number 4, so this one, it is a lifesaver to me because I hardly see companies taking on people with 4 GB RAM and an i3 processor. And you barely even need experience for a lot of their positions. They globally outsource and they have over 20 different categories or positions right now available worldwide. These positions include medical billers, account managers, customer service reps, business development execs, and so much more. The application processes are quite simple and can be done in less than 10 minutes. Now, point of information, you will see positions with the same name, but it is important for you to go through the description of each and to see what is the difference between both. For example, it could just be the location. Let me show you why. Now, the name of this company, it is called Bold Business, and like I said, you will see the same positions being listed, but is important. Now, let me show you an example. All right, so voice data enrichment agent. So when you go through the description, look at this right here. So right here, it is a location. So they are kind of seeking people from the Philippines for this specific one. But here's another one that I actually loaded. When you come down here, if you realize that question regarding whether or not you are located in the Philippines, it is no longer there. So this company deals with software development. They work with platforms like WordPress, Text, Tumblr, and so much more. They have roles for technical and non-technical people, and they hire worldwide. And this includes engineering, customer service, and operations. So depending on the role that you select to work as, they will pair you with one of the platforms that they work with. The application process, it is straightforward, and they ask out 8 questions, which also includes biographical information. The name of this company, it is called Automatic. So if you need the link for the jobs mentioned, please go ahead and check the description box down below where I've added my blog link, because I actually wrote an article about this, and I'll also be writing other articles about jobs as I find them. So if you want that, please go ahead and look in the description box. And feel free to leave a comment if you need clarity on something. I will try my best to answer you in a timely manner. Until next time, bye!